Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the today's session, I am going to share you the top 5 big mistakes are doing during the job interview many of the candidates. So I am uploading this video because our YouTube subscribers are selected this option only for the next video. Anyhow, I will upload SAP basis full details also in the coming videos. Okay, so I am not going to describe about you have to early into the interview place, and so you must not use mobile whenever you are taking the interview. Okay, you have to dress properly. I am not going to discuss these type of mistakes. So obviously these are also some mistakes only. So whenever you are attending any interview, you should not do these things also. So whatever I am going to sharing the top 5 big mistakes during the job interviews. So if you avoid these top 5 mistakes, then you definitely get job as well. And also do me one favor, friends. So please share all our videos in your social networking platform. Then it will reach more people, and it might be helpful for your friends and friends of friends as well. Okay. So let's come back to the main topic. What are those top 5 big mistakes during the job interview? The first mistake is whenever the interview used to ask any interview question, you are not providing specific example while you are explaining the answer. Suppose the interviewer asks one question like, can you explain object-oriented programming concepts? Then many of the candidates used to say only the definition, advantages, that's it. But many of the candidates, they don't explain with examples. So you have to explain where you applied object oriented programming principles or concepts in your project, what type of challenges you faced whenever you are applying a OOPS concept in your project. So you have to explain some scenarios, you have to take some past examples, and how you overcome those challenges. So if you explain in this way, then definitely the interviewer will impress you. And the next mistake, many of the candidates are facing this type of problem, that is nothing but they are not preparing very well for the first entry question only. The first entry questions you know very well, that is nothing but tell me about yourself entry question. They are not preparing very well. They are blindly attending the interview without preparation. Okay, some people might be prepared before the interview, like what is weakness, what are the strengths. They might prepare some answers. But whenever they are attending the interview, during the entry process, they are forgetting the answer. They are forgetting some points also. Whenever they are asking, can you tell me something about yourself question? You know very well, the first impression is best impression. So prepare very well and practice more and more how to answer for tell me about yourself entry question. And the third big mistake is that is nothing but many of the candidates are technically very strong whenever they are attending the interview. But some candidates, their attitude is not good enough. So even though you have technically strong, but if your attitude is not good enough, then the entry panel may reject you as well. Remember this point. Company is expecting from the candidate not only technical skills. Company also expect a good attitude from the candidate. Then it will make you to success in the interview. The next big mistakes, that is nothing but many of the candidates are answering for each and every question whenever they are facing the interview. But most of the candidates, 80% of the candidates, they are just answering a few words only. Whatever the question they ask, don't stop with few words only. And also you must remember one point. You must understand for which question you have to give few words, and for which question you have to explain with example. You have to analyze that one also based on the entry question. Okay, some entry questions can expect with examples. And the next big mistake, that is nothing but you are not asking questions in your own. So whenever you complete the interview, at the end of the interview, the entry panel used to ask, do you have any questions? Then you definitely ask questions related to the company services. Okay, company, what type of projects they are handling, okay, how many branches are there, what type of services they're providing, okay, and what is the future plan, and what is the work culture, what type of culture it has, okay, how many employees are working in the company, okay. So before attending the interview, you have to research on that particular company. Then you can understand what type of questions I can ask whenever the interviewer used to ask, do you have any interview question? If you ask any question with your own, then interviewer will also feel yes, the candidate is interested to join this company. If you don't ask any interview question, then interviewer may feel he is no more interested to this interview as well as to join our company. So you have to ask company related any interview questions whenever interview panel is asked you, do you have any interview question? Okay, so these are the top 5 big mistakes are doing during the job interview. Okay, I hope from next interview onwards you have to overcome these mistakes and you definitely get success in the interview. Okay, so if you feel this video is very helpful, then don't forget to share to your friends. Okay, so we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.